Hey everyone, this week I'm going to show you how to make a video using PowerPoint. So it's actually really easy. It's going to be a pretty short video actually. But first, obviously, you want to create your PowerPoint presentation, so all the information that you want to have in your video. And then all you have to do is go to File, Export, Create a Video, and then you want to tell it how long you want it to spend on each slide. So I have a lot of text in mine, so I'm going to actually have it stay on each slide for 10 seconds. You can add recordings and narrations and all that good stuff. And then once you're ready, just want to hit Create Video, and it's going to tell you where you want it to start. Using marketing. Let's go, actually save this here. Here, save. Now it's going to take a little while depending on the size of your presentation to export, but once it's done, you'll get a little pop-up that'll let you know, and you're good to go. You can then edit it also in Windows Movie Maker if you want to add music, intros, all that good stuff. So you have a couple different options. And it's that simple. I told you it would be a quick video this week. All right, everyone. See you later. Bye.